what Boisrame, Rene and Fernandez have to say about it all. Again, just hustling those outsides, Boisrame. Fernandez currently parked in 7th place. 6 seconds down on Rene and losing ground to the Frenchman as well. But this Frenchman in green, going to cut back to the inside early. Yes, he is going to get alongside the KTM at the top of the hill here. And cut back again. Going to run him wide. It didn't work last time. It didn't work this time either. Definitely tenacious, isn't he? Good job, though, from Rene Hofer, keeping the fiery Frenchman at bay. Watch this. Already made his mind up to go early, got on the gas. Hofer did well to keep it in there.